Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm getting ready to crochet my hair. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, stay tuned. All right, so we're going to be starting off with 6 packs of Bobbi Boss 3X Cali Butterfly Locks in 18 inches. I'm going to be using 5 packs of the color 1B, 1 pack of the color 30, and the 30 color is just to give it a bit of highlights throughout the look. Okay, so here is my braid pattern. Starting off in the front, I like to do free parts, and then I'm going to show you the back. And normally in the back, I don't really get too detailed in how I braid the back. I just make sure it's tight enough so that it's not too loose and that the crochets can be secure when I loop them. All right, so now I'm going to show you how I attach the crochet hair onto the braids that I made. So first I take a Crochet Loc, and then I need to open up, I find that I need to open up some of the loops because they're a little bit too tight or too small. So I open the loops, make it a little bit larger. That helps me with the attachment. Then I find the part of my hair where I want to put the crochet block. Once I find it, I will take the needle, making sure it's open, not closed, and I will slide it underneath the braid. Once I slide it underneath the braid, I will attach the loop onto the hook, close the latch, and then I will pull it through. I'll release the needle, and then I will take the strand and I will put it through that loop that I made larger, and I will make 1 knot. You can do more than 1 knot if you want. Normally with the locks, I find that 1 lock is sufficient and it works just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the process one more time with this lock. This is one of the highlight locks, and I'm gonna show you how I do it again. So now that I've gone ahead to show you how to put the crochet in, I'm gonna go ahead and speed the video up. I forgot to actually record the pack, so I'm gonna just at least speed it up and show you the process for installing it once I've gotten to the front. You guys, so here is the finished look. I have a decent amount of parting space. I'm gonna wait for this to kind of settle a little bit. I think after a few days it won't be as like big, but I can part my hair if I want. It's a little bit more full than I would like, but it's okay, it's not bad. And if I want to wear it down the middle, then not really crazy about the middle, but yeah. Let's do it like this. I think this makes sense. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let me show you the back. All right, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Let me know in the comments if this is a style that you would rock, if you liked it. And if you don't, I totally get it. This is not a style for everybody, but I absolutely loved it. It was cute, it was quick, and yeah, I'm excited to rock it. So thanks for tuning in. If you have a chance to, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys again soon.